MLGO stock is in the move in this pre-market session of today, the 22nd of September 2023. We're also counting down to the open of the session in about 20 minutes time. So the stock has gained 40.65% on a volume of 3.492 million shares and counting. This is what's going on here. So this is the side where the market orders buying and selling are all printed. Okay, and this is where the ASCA side is. You can see that the prices are much lower. Market participants here want to get in at a lower price because obviously when they do that, they can they hope to make more money. And as you can see here, we can see higher prices way above 5.85. Obviously this is the bid side here. Market participants, this is where all the orders that are not market orders reside. This is where they are all represented. Okay, so far this is where much of the aggression happens. This 40.39% largely is down to these guys, especially those who want to buy. Okay, so there's also the news behind this rally we are looking at right now is let's look at it. It says here that MicroAlgo Inc, a Chinese company, I want to believe, but it's also, I don't know if it's, not very sure if it's registered in the US. It's saying that announced today that a knowledge enhanced backtracking search algorithm was developed, while the research and development of evolutionary computational methods provided the technical basis for the emergence of the MicroAlgo's knowledge enhanced backtracking search algorithm. The algorithm also aims to improve the efficiency, accuracy, and adaptability of problem solving and provide more possibilities for optimization and decision support for enterprises and research institutions. The development and application of the algorithm is expected to have a significant impact in various fields. Knowledge enhanced backtracking search algorithm combines backtracking search strategy and knowledge learning to improve the performance and efficiency of the algorithm. The basis of the knowledge enhanced backtracking search algorithm is backtracking search. Backtracking search is an iterative optimization method that starts with one possible solution and then searches for an optimal or near optimal solution to the problem by progressively adjusting and improving the current solution. At this stage, the algorithm tries different alternatives and then evaluates the quality of those alternatives and decides on the next move. MicroAlgo Inc's knowledge enhanced backtracking search algorithm introduces adaptive control parameters to enable dynamic adjustment of the search step size. The values of these parameters are automatically adjusted based on global and local information about the population in the current iteration. This means that the algorithm is able to flexibly adjust the depth and the breadth of the search according to the characteristics of the problem and the progress of the search. Okay, so this is the news behind this 37.36% rally we are looking at right now. Okay, the stock reached at this high of $5.9, and this has now retraced, now at 5.47. Okay, let's look at this is what's going on right now on the stock. Okay, so the algos are projecting that the 10-minute moving average might retrace further to $5.31, and I think there's also projecting a bounce there from 5.31 to 5.32. This is the moving average, 10-minute moving average, not the price itself. But there on this 1 minute chart, there are no downward projections from where it is right now. There's an upper projection of 5.66. There's I think one of 5.82. There are a couple of other ones there. And there's 6.09. Note that we got to 5.9 at some point, and then there is 6.24 on its 1-day chart. There are no projections there because the market hasn't opened, but I mean there are projections there, but they're not then it hasn't really taken account of what's going on right now, because obviously the market hasn't opened as such. I guess, you know, the projection there is 4.64, but on the 1 week chart it is, if you like it, very much ambitious, very much ambitious. We have there's a downward projection of 1.31, and there's upper projection of 15.96, all the way to way more than $100, 101.45. Before that there is 63, there's a 63.1, and there's below that there's a 50.05. But this is the weekly chart. Obviously it prints every week. Okay, so it's it prints after 5 trading sessions. Okay, so returning to the 1 minute chart, let's see what we have there. Okay, we can actually look at other charts. You can see that we can look at the 45-minute chart, which will be closest. This will be the closest on trading view to what the closest to its 1 day chart. So obviously this prints after every 45 minutes. You can see what's going on here. Because it's a 45-minute chart, it hasn't reflected what is going on right now on the 1 minute chart, and the 45-minute moving average is projecting the retracement. Sorry, the 10-minute moving average on this chart is projecting weakness, and normally you should expect that, because this is the sort of thing we see when stocks rally in the pre-market session. Okay, so let's look at the 5-minute chart. Might see something different. Okay, very much like what is going on the 1 minute charts. So same here as well. The 10-minute moving average is projected to retrace as well. Okay, so yes, MLGO up 39.13% in this pre-market session. We're counting down to the open. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.